Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the 2017 Mercedes AMG GTS Edition 1. This car is actually fully specced in white with all these parts in black. Very long hood, 20 inches rims, nice fence on the sides with the V8 bi-turbo, nice carbon fiber wing on the back. Very muscly, nice looking car. This is another one actually in silver. It's a matte silver color, doesn't have fixed wing, so you have actually the option to have it fixed wing or automatically. Let's go to the inside. You have the AMG laminate door. Steering wheel is actually the AMG performance steering wheel. Very well made, full leather, beautiful looking car. Series very nice. I like the new design. They called it the aviation design, the AMG drive system. It actually makes the car very special compared to the other one. Can you select different, I like the pants, those shortcut buttons here for the suspension, for traction control, for different dynamics. Even the cup holder is very good material. The screen is much better placed somewhere with the design. 4 AC vents in the middle, one on each side. Car is actually 4.0 V8 with 510 horsepower for GTS, 0 to 100 3.8 seconds, 650 Nm of torque. The performance is just insane. Very drivable car, got all the luxury and the options that you need. So let's go and listen to the car in regular mode. Sports Plus. Let's switch it to race mode. Beautiful engine. I really like the design. Beautiful gear shifter in the middle. It's a combination between like aluminium, carbon fiber, pure leather. Gives very sporty look and very distinctive. So that's my short video for GTS. It's an awesome car. Hopefully we'll test drive it soon. So please don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and see you next time.